Rumors are swirling about Nikon's upcoming camera announcements. While details are scarce, speculation points to refreshes of two popular models. Will we see the Nikon Z6 Mark III or the Nikon Z50 II? Stay tuned as we break down the potential features and upgrades of these anticipated mirrorless cameras. The rumor mill is churning with whispers of an exciting update to the Nikon Z6 lineup coming down the pike. As the successor to the popular Z6 II, expectations are high for the next iteration of this full-frame mirrorless line. Based on leaks so far, it looks like Nikon is taking the Z6 to the next level, while keeping it accessible to enthusiasts. Let's start with the rumored sensor. With about 30 or 33 megapixels, it offers great resolution and allows for cropping without losing detail. This means you can make large prints or heavily cropped shots while still maintaining plenty of detail. These extra megapixels are especially useful for portrait, landscape, macro, and general photography, providing added flexibility. Of course, resolution isn't everything. Speed matters too. The rumored upgrade to 14 frame per second continuous shooting means capturing split-second moments is within reach. Expect deep buffers that allow long bursts of up to 124 raw images. This level of performance brings the Z6 III closer to sports and wildlife territory, making it more versatile for action.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
But the most exciting rumor points to Nikon bringing advanced autofocus from the flagship Z9 to this model. With real-time tracking and updated subject detection, Nikon looks to be making the Z6 III a versatile hybrid camera that can keep pace with the competition. Compared to the existing Z6 II, these rumored upgrades represent a significant leap rather than incremental improvements. While the Z6 II is no slouch with excellent image quality, 12 frame per second bursts, and 4K 30p video, the Mark III takes things up a notch. For photographers needing more resolution, faster capture, and advanced video features, the Z6 III makes a compelling case over its predecessor. Meanwhile, Nikon looks to build out their APS-C Z-mount selection too, if the rumors of a Z50 II pan out. This model aims to bring enhancements tailored to the needs of modern content creators and vloggers. Pumping the video capabilities up to 4K 30p, 120 frame per second Full HD slow motion, and adding N-Log profiles make it even friendlier for YouTube and social media. The existing Z50 already punches above its weight class with strong image quality from its 20 megapixel sensor and speedy 11 frame per second bursts. Its autofocus system leverages phase and contrast detection for excellent performance. So the Mark II looks to build on that with the improved video features. For travel and everyday use, the rumored upgrades make it an even more well-rounded package. While details on the sensors, processors, and body design are still unknown, it's clear Nikon is stepping up its capabilities. If the leaks hold true, the Z6 III and Z50 II cover a lot of desired upgrades photographers have asked for. It shows Nikon is listening to user feedback while striking a balance between pro features and approachable pricing. The Z-mount system hit the ground running when it arrived in 2018. Nikon has built an impressive range of lenses covering wide angles to super telephotos. The rumored cameras hint at a system coming into its own with versatile options across full frame and crop sensor models. For Z-mount shooters, it's an exciting roadmap. Of course, some uncertainties remain. The global supply chain issues plaguing the industry could hamper availability, and specs or pricing could shift prior to an official announcement. But if early rumors materialize, Nikon looks ready to release both. For now, it's mostly speculation and reading between the lines. But Nikon shooters have good reason to keep their hopes up. Overall, we're eager to get hands-on with the Z6 III and Z50 II models when they are finally available. So, that's all about the soon-to-be-released Nikon cameras. Do let us know what you think. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.